Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Marketing Software. Today I will guide people to use the software. Unlimited management of Instagram accounts. To go automated messaging for user files. This is the interface. Unlimited Instagram account management software. As everyone can see, I have. There are more than 100 Instagram accounts. And all these accounts, it's like a normal Instagram account. Have full username information, pass, and so on, and in order to send that message. Well, first I will. Maybe it's scanning the data files. Software will support us. Scan the data files on Instagram. For example, scanning followers. Scan follow of the accounts or scan these comments. Comments. Scan the accounts, scan the articles by keyword. When you get out data, if we have this account, we can go to automatic messaging. In the message manager, we've got to manage this message first. We can be reply to automatic messages or scan out the messages of the accounts. That's ours. And to send a message to the user file, cold DM messaging to the user file, I will go to the message section. And this is where I'll have the files. The user I scan is already there. How I will set up the configuration for which I send this message. I will leave 9 accounts texting at the same time. That's 9 threads. Next, I will choose the users. The user here is already there. I have scanned it, then I check the box and the message. Or we can just send messages according to the files. Follower or following of the account to. These are from our accounts. It's these accounts. Now I will choose the content. Let me text here. I have already entered this content. I have also entered this content there. And save this, so now I just need to press. The software will automatically send you message. The software will now automatically go text. Let's see.